So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the text color here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in text color like this, if you want to, change the entire thing, highlight the text, go to this top bar to where there's the A and the underline. You can go ahead and select a color. So if you wanted to change it to pink, you can go ahead and do that. If you wanted to go ahead and change it back, you can always go ahead and change it back. Do what you got to do. Once again, select the color that you're looking for. If you want to do individual letters, you can do that as well. Highlight a color, do the exact same thing, and you can sort of change it and do what you got to do this way. If this isn't appearing for you and you want to change it as well, highlight your text right here, go to the top left, press format, press text. There actually isn't any options right here, so that's not going to work for you. So the simplest way to do it is to go to this top bar, select your color, and change the text this way to whatever you're looking for. Now, if you want a custom color, you can also change the shade of it as well. So you can kind of play around with it this way, do a custom color, press OK, and sort of go along with it like that. Or you can go ahead and pick a custom color or add a custom color, do what you got to do, and kind of figure it out this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to edit text color on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.